The purpose of this video is to cover what you will receive if you purchase Automotive Kit 1. In other words, what are you going to get? Alright, well, the first thing that you're going to see when you unpack your kit is this. Alright, this is the AR32A programming unit. AR32A is the fundamental programming instrument on which all of our kits are based. It will do a variety of memory parts, but primarily we're going to be focused, since we're doing vehicle modules, on the EEPROMs that are located and used in vehicle modules. So inside the AR32A box, packaged in a box with a handle, power supply, you have the programming unit assembly, you have a 32-pin socket. This is a socket into which you will put the in-circuit adapter. We have a configuration switch, which allows you to address the different kinds of components that this supports. There are LEDs here that indicate operation of the programming unit when it is working. Okay, so that's the fundamental programming instrument. That's what one of the items that you will receive in the in Automotive Kit 1. Okay, the next item that you will you'll find in the kit is this. This is your in-circuit adapter. All of our adapters that we include in connecting cables and things have plastic enclosures so you can keep everything together and handy, but this is the in-circuit adapter. This is what lets us do EEPROM work in circuit. No unsoldering, no removal of the chip, no soldering on little mezzanine boards, no removing the chip and putting it in the socket, none of that. We work in circuit. The way that this adapter works is you've got the three families, of which EEPROMs are going to be found: the 93 family, the 2595 family, and the 24 family. Then you get the in the kit, you get this clip. The clip jaws. The jaws, you put it on the part. Also, you're going to want to clean the part before you put the clip on the part. All of our connection options, clips, probes, AccuTouch probe, things like that, connect with a standard black connector. Alright, and the way that this works is you just find the appropriate header and you put the connector on the header and push down. Okay, and that's how you would connect this. Alright, so the in-circuit adapter and the clip are included in Automotive Kit 1. Okay, the next item that's included in Automotive Kit 1 is a probe set. Okay, this is our surface mount probe set. Sometimes you will have interference connecting the clip to a surface mount EEPROM because of like a capacitor will be in the way or some other component might be providing interference. So if that occurs, your options are, your one option is to use this probe set. And the probe set consists of 8 individual colored probes, okay? And the probes are colored brown through gray, okay? Where brown is pin number 1 on the EEPROM and gray is pin number 8. And the reason we use the colored probes is because they match the pins on the EEPROM, which makes it very convenient for you to attach to that component. Also, in the event that you don't have a surface mount EEPROM, you have a DIP package, okay, meaning DIP is dual inline package where the legs go through the circuit assembly. You can attach each one of these probes, okay, to one of the pins on the DIP package. Alright, so this is the other connection option that we provide with the Automotive Kit, and you'll see that it also has the standard black plug, which is just the same as provided with a clip. Okay, well, that is what is included with the Automotive Kit 1 with respect to physical pieces, which allow you to work with the different components in circuit. Okay, the next thing is documentation. We do not skimp on documentation. A lot of tools do not give you hardly any documentation at all. But we actually give you things that are printed that you can reference. You can also save the PDFs if you choose to do so, because they're on the CD that we provide. So the first document is using the Automotive Kit 1 with body controller modules, any EEPROM based module. We will do any EEPROM based module. It does not matter who made it. Doesn't matter who the vehicle manufacturer is. Doesn't matter what the year is. Does not matter what the module is. If it's an EEPROM based module, we do it, and we do it in circuit. Okay, so that's that. Second document is how to locate and identify serial EEPROMs and microcontrollers found in vehicle modules and circuit assemblies. Okay, this document will guide you through the location of EEPROMs. We talk about the different families, we talk about the connection options, and this is our guide for you to basically, when you open a module and look at the circuit assembly, this guides you to locate the component with which you would be working. Next document is using the ASR SM1A serial EEPROM in-circuit interface adapter. This is the document which describes how to use the in-circuit adapter. As I said, we do things in circuit. There's no unsoldering. So this tells you how to use this adapter, how to connect, how to set the switches, and this is what allows us to have an incredibly high success rate of doing things in circuit. Next document is our training tutorial. All right, this training tutorial is here to provide you with an educational foundation, meaning that if you purchase the kit, you don't have to be concerned with not knowing how to use it. All right, our training tutorial includes this component here. This is an actual 93C56 serial EEPROM. Okay, this training tutorial will teach you step by step, hands-on, how to not just use the system, but also it uses specific automotive exercises. Okay, you'll do a clone, you do a VIN edit, you'll do an airbag. All of those things are done in this tutorial. Okay. Next document is how to use the Locksmith Librarian application. One of the features of our software is it has a librarian, and one of the things in the librarian allows, if you are working with certain vehicles and you want to make like a key, the librarian is used for that, and this document explains how to use the librarian application. Next document is working with airbag modules. With the kit, you can clear crash data from any EEPROM based airbag module. This document explains how that's done. Then you will get an actual printed manual, which the EEPROM Plus programming system is usable not just with vehicle modules, but with any EEPROM microcontroller based module. Okay, and this manual explains how all of the commands work. So you can always reference this manual if you have any specific questions. Also, the user documentation, which it's available as part of our software, so you can also reference it online. The last item which is included is this is our software distribution CD. Our system is different than almost any other tool. It will run. You can install it under Windows if you choose to do that, or you can run it without Windows. We are not encumbered in any way by an attachment to Microsoft. Microsoft has created an enormous operating system. Windows is the product which is never done. So our system is it's different because you can run it on any machine, any computer manufactured in the last 50 years. You can either boot from this CD and run the system, or you can download the software from our website, or you can make a bootable USB drive. So all of those options are available. But as I said, we aren't tied to Microsoft. It's just something that we decided to do because we just can't take care of our customers if we're constantly troubleshooting issues because of someone else's operating system. So that's what you get in Automotive Kit 1. What will be covered in another video is what you can do with Automotive Kit 1. So if you have any additional questions or you would like more information, you may contact us on our website, which is arlabs.com.